Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well, my dear student. COVID-19 is a worldwide problem. For this problem, classes have been hampered for a long time. To solve this problem, our headmaster AKM Nasirul Islam has taken a proper step to take online classes. My dear students, you are welcome to my online classes. Today I want to introduce to you, I am Muhammad Abul Hassan, a teacher of government RSKC institution. Today's class is for class 6, subject English second paper, topics parts of speech. At first, we have to know what is the definition of parts of speech. Parts of speech, every meaningful word of a sentence is called parts of speech. Every meaningful word of a sentence is called parts of speech. Parts of speech are 8 kinds in number. Parts of speech are 8 in number. They are given below. They are given below. Number 1, noun. Noun, the definition of noun. Noun is the name of anything. Noun is the name of anything. For example, Rohim is a boy. There are 2 nouns in this sentence, Rohim and boy. According to a passage, the English language written by Zakir Hossain, noun according to a passage, the English language written by Zakir Hossain, noun is the name of any human object, place or action. For example, I will write a sentence. Rohim is a student Here, Rohim is the name of a person or human. For more examples, name of human, name of human, Rohim, Korim, etc. Name of object, pen, book, etc. Name of place, Dhaka, Khulna, etc. Name of action, function, functions, purification, etc. According to High School English Grammar, written by Wren and Martin, noun is a word used as a person, a place, or a thing. For example, Hassan is a student. Here, Hassan is a student. Here Hassan is the name of a person. Next, number 2, pronoun. Pronoun is the word that is used in place of noun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. For example, Rohim is a boy. He came to me. Here, he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun, and it is used in place of Rohim. So it is understood that pronoun is used in place of noun. In place of noun. Some other